Hello, science students. Today we're going to make a special noisemaker that makes the sound of a duck. We're going to need a cup. It could be a paper cup or a plastic cup. And I just happen to have a plastic cup, but if you have a recycled cup, like from Starbucks or an old hot chocolate cup from donut bank, that will work too. Styrofoam works as well. And then you're going to need string, and I just happen to have this embroidery thread that it's just the same thickness as string. You could try it with yarn if that's all that you have. And we're going to need 24 inches or 2 feet of it. You're going to need a paper clip or paper clips and some beads, or 1 bead, 1 paper clip, or 2 paper clips, 2 beads. You can make a combination of a paper clip and a bead, and that is okay too. A small bowl of water, a pair of scissors for cutting the string, a ruler for measuring the string, and then you might see if you can find a grown-up in the house that can help you punch the hole in the bottom of the cup with either an awl or a seam ripper. An awl is a tool that might be in a toolbox, and it's used for making a little hole before you screw something in or hammer something in. And a seam ripper is a tool, it looks like this, that you might use if you're on a sewing machine and you've stitched something incorrectly and you want to rip the seams out. Then you use this to cut this thread. So right now I'm going to use this hole puncher in the bottom of this cup, and it's going to go right in the center. I'm going to hit that right there. I'm going to wiggle it a little bit just to make the hole a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to cut the string. I'm going to measure it first. Measure it twice, cut once. So here is 12 inches, and then here we have another 12 inches. And then I'm going to cut it right about there. It's close enough for government work. Put that duck back there. All right, now we're going to put the thread through the cup, or the string through the cup. One end of the string, I'm going to tie a knot in it. Simple square knot, so it's like over and under and out. Then you go over, back over, and then under and out. You just want to tie a knot in it. And you might want to pull this over to the middle of the paper clip, but not on the side where it opens, on the other side. Okay, and then we're going to pull this down. Okay, so that is to keep the string from falling through the cup. Then the other end, I could use the other paper clip, but I'm just going to use this cute little orange bead that kind of matches my string. And then we're going to tie a knot right there, any way that you can, with that bead on there. So that bead is hanging there now. And now you have, see, it doesn't make much noise, but if I put a little water on it, sounds just like a duck. Now, if you do this in the house, some people might find it annoying. So you might want to do it outside, or if somebody says to stop doing this, you should probably stop. At least for a little while, until you can go outside. So, until next week, happy science. Keep doing science. Take care. Bye.